Good morning, class 4th. So today we will learn practically the things that I have told you in the previous videos in the theory part. Okay. Till now whatever that we have done in the chapter theoretically we will learn practically now. So I have opened right now Microsoft Word. You can see the heading here, document 1 Microsoft Word 2007. Okay children, why document 1? Because this document is not yet saved. So there is no title here. In the beginning of the chapter we have studied about the various tabs and groups. So these are various tabs or menu: home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. These are various tabs and these are various groups where the commands are given to you. Clipboard group where the commands related to clipboard are given. Font group where the commands or the buttons related to font are given. Then paragraph and styles. Okay children, so for tabs you need to go and click there and you will see different groups there. For every tab there are various other groups present there. You can see as I am clicking on the tabs where the groups are changing here. So right now again we will click on the home tab. Okay children, now we will learn how to edit the document. Children, this line I have written here: India is my country and I love my country. Now this text I have already written here, and now I will tell you how you can select the text. So right now I will tell you how to select the whole text. You will first take the mouse pointer in the beginning and then using the shift key and the arrow key you will select slowly the text here. I have pressed shift key and I have pressed the arrow key, side arrow key. Okay, so this way character by character everything is being selected. Okay, we can this was using the keyboard. Now I will use mouse for this. So what you will do, you will click here and then you will drag the mouse. Okay, you are dragging and this way you will be selecting the text. Okay, so we can select using keyboard and we can select using mouse. Now how you will copy and paste? So we will copy, suppose we want to copy this, India is my country. First we will select it. For every action I told you that you have to select it. So what you will do, you will select it and you will go to the clipboard tab and here you will see there is an option of cut and copy. Okay, so you will click copy here and suppose you want to type somewhere else, we will click here, then we will take the mouse pointer somewhere else, like press enter key, you are going to next line and here you want to paste it. So what you will do, you will go to paste option and it will be pasted. Okay, simple. Same way what you can do, you can cut and paste it. Suppose you want to paste this line at the end of the first line. So what you will do, you will select it. Okay, India is my country, bottom line I am selecting using keyboard, and then one more option is there, you can right click here. When you will right click your mouse, this menu will appear. Now what you can do, you can press cut from here, the text is cut. Okay, and after full stop I am giving some space and then I am pasting it using the keyboard option, that is Ctrl plus V. Okay, what you will do, you will press on this control and you will press on this V alphabet. You can see V here and it will be pasted. Okay, now control plus V, so it will be pasted. So I have used both mouse key and keyboard for cutting and pasting, and I have showed you two methods by going to this tab, this group, clipboard group in the home tab, and by using the right click. When you will click here, right click will appear, okay, and you can paste it again, means the text which was cut you can paste it many times this way. You can see again, suppose you want to paste it here also, so you will paste it here as well. This way you can cut, copy and paste the text which whatever that you want to do. So copy is simple copying, and for cutting you will say that you are moving the text. Okay children, this was till page number 36. Okay.